All right, guys, so the long anticipated and long awaited 2024 Sonata is finally here. What we're gonna do today is take it for a spin. This is the SEL standard trim level, which has a 2.5 4-cylinder engine. So we're gonna see how that feels on the road, how it handles bumps, different drive modes, and see how it feels. Let's check it out. All right, so we are leaving the dealership, taking off in the all-new 2024 Sonata. Now this model is going to be the SEL standard trim level. This is a 2.5 4-cylinder engine, and honestly it feels very smooth. We'll go down to the next light so we can keep this straight line going for a little bit. Okay, I gotta say, I'm already liking this more than the 23. I'm liking the setup. I like the display. Definitely the software upgrades are really nice. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, I always drive in my lane follow assist on, so I'm going to turn that on. And there we go. That's awkward. So I think what we'll do is we'll try out a few different drive modes. I'll try out a couple of safety features, but I already think I'm definitely gonna like this. Might need to put it in the wash when I get out. Let's make a left at this light. It just feels very smooth, like not just the drive, I mean from turning the wheel to how it's accelerating. And if you guys haven't seen the outside already, you'll definitely like the exterior. The new redesign is chef kiss. Let's see, I'm going to take us down to that street. I feel like we have a little space here, so I'm gonna give it a little gas. Let's go to sport mode. I'm gonna push it a little bit. Definitely hear the engine revving. Now, of course, it's not the fastest car in the world, obviously, but that was a nice little pickup. All right, going back into normal mode. I don't know what they were doing. All right. After you. All right. Get some lane follow assist happening. Should also play around with that. Yeah, I definitely like the display. I need to go through the different themes though. Yeah, I gotta say, I like this. I wish I could see myself from the outside to see how it looks as well. Which I guess isn't a huge factor, but it's just something I'm curious about. I like this setup. I don't know if you guys can see, but I like how fluid this is, how intuitive it is. Just AC off, big fan to increase the fan, small fan to decrease it. I don't know if you guys see, but my seat warmer's on and it's definitely working. Lane follow assist is working, blind spot detection is working. Okay, so a lot of similarities between the 23 and 24, but this does feel like an upgrade. I will say that. I'm gonna take us down here. Nice. I know some people have said that because the Sonata is a full-size sedan, sometimes it feels like not a boat, but a small boat. I gotta say, I have no issue seeing over this hood. I didn't raise my seat all the way up. I'm not the biggest person in the world. So visibility, definitely gonna give a good grade to. As you can see, that lane follow assist is definitely working. Working quite well, actually. Right past the intersection, nice. All right, now I'm gonna put it into my drive. Gonna have some custom settings in there. I didn't play around with it too much, but I can definitely feel a slight difference between this and the normal drive mode. I'm actually going to give us a little bit of gas and pass up this car. Yeah, no, I like this. I like this. I like the middle console setup. I do wish that they included USBs as well, but I guess you can't have everything. Nice. Yeah, this is nice. The seats are also comfortable too. I don't feel like anything's out of place or hard to get to. Even reaching for the touchscreen, I'm not reaching up or anything like that too. So this is nice. Hyundai's doing so well. Put us back into sport mode. Steering definitely got tight. Yeah. But nah, this feels smooth. It feels like we're floating. Definitely the high-end Hyundai. Definitely. And usually, I will say, I'm used to sport mode being a little more rugged or rougher, but this, maybe it's because I haven't done too many turns, but this still feels smoother than sport mode usually feels, or at least what I'm used to. Nice. I think my only quarrel, which isn't a real issue at all, is the gear shift. This will take getting used to. But so far I haven't reached down towards the middle to reach for anything non-existent. So it's not a problem at all. Definitely can get used to that. Yeah, nothing feels out of place. Oh, I probably should have played with the paddle shifters. Shifting gears up. Yeah, we definitely need to get some limited tin so I can try those out. Or the inline. We actually have some of those coming soon. All right, then we're gonna head inside here. I think I'm gonna take us back to the same spot. Nice and crystal clear. And should also have another angle here. Yep. Full screen view, top down view. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I like that. That was nice. I definitely want to try out the limited version, but even in an SEL, it felt very smooth, very comfortable. All right, so we just test drove the 2024 Sonata. As you can see, I didn't really want to get out of it. It's very comfortable. It's a great ride. Check out the video. If you have any questions, if you like to drive yourself, please leave a comment below. Let us know, set an appointment, and we'll make it happen. Again, my name is Mace here at South Bay Hyundai. You guys take care.